What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm going to check out a couple knives real quick I just got sent to me, and they are going to be something from Kansept and something from ZT, Zero Tolerance. This is my first Zero Tolerance. I haven't checked out any of their stuff yet, so I think I remember what this is. It's little carbon fiber, a little something something on it. That's just a number. Okay, it's carbon fiber 308. Maybe that's what it's called, 308. I'm not quite sure. I can't remember. But we also have something from Kansept, and this is the Shard. So let's check this one out real quick since we have it out in hand. We'll go over the Zero Tolerance here in just like a second. Normal paperwork. You guys probably know the drill, normal stuff. Put that back in. Let's get it out of the way. Little sheath or whatever you want to call it. Oh, okay, I remember this one. Little tiger stripe. I actually just had a Kubi like this. And not too bad. I kind of like the pattern. It goes probably better on certain knives. I would probably prefer it on this than something like the Kubi Prism. Opens up with authority. Let's see if we can... Okay, maybe not. Oh, good lord. So, oh, okay, well, maybe that's just what you're supposed to do. Got a nice little flipper tab right there. Opens pretty smooth. What kind of steel does it say? Oh, it says 35VN right there. There you go. Swipe the blade a little bit. So it has a thumb hole, finger hole, and you cannot really flip it. Like at all, because you're going to be digging into that frame lock. So I don't. What's the point of a? I'm having problems lately because I'm getting knives like that where the frame lock is the finger hole, the thumb flipper hole, whatever they want to call it. I just call it the thumb hole for the most part. It doesn't make sense to put it, and then you just can't use it. You just nothing to. It's so close to the frame lock, you can't get your finger there in order to do it. I think that's why they put that little extra fuller right there, just so you can get it, because that works. That is what works. The little fuller, like little right there, fuller, little cutout, whatever you want to call it. That's what works. I don't know what's the point of the hole if it's not going to work. You might as well just put the fuller all the way across. Like, that doesn't make sense to me. Instead of the stuff, I don't know. Maybe does it work better like this? I can't even get that to go. My thumb. Okay, so that's kind of goofy. I don't like that. I'm getting more and more knives that are kind of like that. Like, it doesn't work. You can't, with a frame lock, it really doesn't work real well, because you always put some finger or something like that, or especially if you reverse flick it, it's going to be on there some. Like, you have to really get every finger off, and then kind of, I still can't do it. Like, I'm not even trying to put pressure on the thumb lock, or the frame lock, excuse me. I'm not even trying to do that at all, and it's you just can't get enough gusto underneath of it, you know what I mean? But it works like that. It is a cool little blade, though. I like the blade shape. Looks pretty good. Ergos. It does feel good in hand. Great little ergos right there. Kind of a neutral, almost fit. Got a little cutout for the frame lock also, so you can definitely get your finger there, your thumb there, and get it closed and open, and I guess just closed. Nice little pocket clip right there. Also titanium, I'm sure, and tiger striped. Got you... I don't know, nope. No lanyard hole or anything like that, unless that's what that's for, but I wouldn't assume that's what that's for necessarily, because you'd be cutting up your lanyard cord. So I'm assuming it doesn't have anything like that. Some knives just don't. It's kind of unusual. A lot of knives do, it seems like these days. Opens pretty smooth, though. Closes. Not bad. Not too shabby. I like it, though. I do like the blade shape and the handle and everything. It does look pretty good. It feels pretty good, like I said. Not too bad. No jimping, so that's... Honestly, it doesn't feel bad, though. Like, you know me, I'm a jimping whore. But it doesn't feel bad, though, without it, though. It's really not bad. I like it. It's the S35VN for steel. I already told you guys that. And this is the shard right there written on it. Yada, yada, yada. It needs to get cleaned up a little bit, but we'll give that here in a few. Check out this other ZT real quick. This was the one I was kind of excited about because it was kind of like an overgrown turd. All right, get that out of the way. Got a little bubble wrap. Yeah, because it's a big boy. All right, so they already put skiffs in it, so it should work pretty smooth. I just don't know what it's called. That thing's it is kind of overbuilt. I don't know if it's called 308. It's kind of coming back to me that that's what I think it is. It's kind of dirty too. Good Lord. Excuse me. But yeah, definitely a little dirty. But that's all right though. We can clean it up after a bit, and it is definitely freaking huge. Like I have medium, small size hands, and that thing it's pretty big. If you like bigger knives, this is probably it. Now, it's not like some of the big ones, like the mid guards and stuff like that. Good Lord. But it's a pretty good size, and I do like it. I don't mind the carbon fiber. I'm not the biggest fan of carbon fiber. It just depends on the knife. But I do like this. It's kind of nice. It has a titanium, a stonewash titanium side and a carbon fiber side. Nice little pocket clip that is reversible. Not shabby, not shabby. Um, yeah, it's pretty smooth for skiffs. I don't really get a lot of knives with skiffs. Wow. It's not bad at all, honestly. I kind of like that with the skiffs. Yep, so that's it's only got the flipper tab right there, and I do like that look of the hollowed out flipper tab now. Big fan of it. I just think it kind of looks aesthetically pleasing to me, like with knives. I don't know why. I just think it looks kind of cool. Unless it's super small, like you have a nice small flipper tab, then I prefer that. That's fine. But if it's out there a little bit and it's going to show, I kind of like a hollow. I think it looks kind of cool. Nice blade shape though. I like the blade shape. Man, this is one that you can cut whatever the heck you want. What was the blade steel? M390. So there you go too. So it is an in-house design. Serial number. What was that? I can't even see it. 0393. Yeah, okay. For a second I thought it was an 8. Pocket clip. I don't know what a pocket clip is. I don't think it's titanium, obviously. I think it's just like a steel one. Which is kind of, you have a nice knife like that. Why don't you put something a little nicer on there, you know what I mean? I guess not necessarily titanium, but I don't know. I guess it works. It's not bad. It's just the company's preference. Let them do what they want, I guess. But I don't know if it would look goofy with that or not. Well, I guess if you have a nice stonewash handle right here, I would probably want a stonewashed titanium pocket clip. I think it'd look pretty, sick with it, in my opinion. Got some nice little kind of backspacers, pivot bars. Kind of nice. I like those. Got 3 nice big ones. Like you have a bigger knife, so definitely going to be a little bigger. It is skeletonized on the inside a little bit, just to obviously help with that weight for the carbon fiber inlay, the steel inlay on the right here on the inside by the carbon fiber. But not bad. Like it's got some nice jimping on it. Definitely, good Lord. Like makes my hands look small, smaller. Kind of cool little knife though. I like the texturing on it. Let's kind of zoom in real quick for you guys, so you guys kind of see it. Definitely grippy. Kind of nice. I kind of wish. Oh, it is the same on this side too, though. It's kind of like the same like texturing mode, I guess, model type. So that's kind of cool that they were able to do that. And a heck of a big old pivot. Okay, so here's a random question. It's got no pivot screw. I wonder how this all works. How the heck? It's a nice frame lock, but the pivot. No, I'm confused. I'm going to have to look some stuff up on this. Definitely confused now. So I do not know how to take the pivot. Like how you would take this knife apart, I have no clue. Because usually you have a pivot right there. Like even if the blade is even a little off, how do you correct that? That's what I'm kind of confused by. I don't know. I'm baffled now. Now I got homework, y'all. It closes nice though. It is just a little bit too far to the left. But heck, I don't even know how to fix that crap. Man, I hate homework. But that's alright though. But a couple cool knives. I really like that zero tolerance though. Definitely for a first one, that's pretty dope. I like it. Pretty sharp looking. But yeah, if you guys have any comments or anything like that, leave it down in the comment section. Any questions? Hopefully, I'll get some information out for you about that because the pivot, because that's confusing, kind of crazy, but cool though. Yeah, let me know down in the comment section if you have any questions or anything. If you like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.